Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, I'm gonna be showing you how to change your name on Tinder. So before we get started, please subscribe this channel and also press the notification bell to get updated from us. So let's get started. Simply first of all, start by tapping on the apps icon. Go to the Tinder application. Here we go. And once you enter inside the Tinder application, just click on this profile icon at the top left, and as you can see there is no any option of changing your name on Tinder. If you want to edit other info, you can simply tap on this edit info option. Here you can add about yourself, your passion, your lifestyle, your job title, your company name, your school university, but there is no option of changing your personal name. So if you want to change name on Tinder, remember that once you have created an account, you won't be able to change it later on. So if you need to update your name on Tinder, the only option you have left is to delete your account and start it over from the beginning. So in order to delete your account, just go back and go to this settings. Here you can see the option of delete account at the very last at the bottom. So just click on this delete account and go through the process, and again recreate the account and retype your name again. So that is how you can simply change your name on Tinder. So hope this video was useful for you, and before you go, please like this video as well. Thank you for watching.